Welcome to your new home. So this is a great large model in Beverly Hills, Florida, Central Florida. It's over 1,600 square feet of living area. There's tons of great things I want to show you about this house. And right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that this house is large enough, with large enough hallways and doorways for you to, for it to be handicap accessible. So if there's a wheelchair or walker, you are not going to have any issues being able to move around this house. This is the main living room, and you can see it's very spacious. We've got the carpeting in that area. We've got wood floors here for the dining room. Nice sized dining room, little breakfast bar area here. It's a pretty spacious kitchen, and let me tell you what, the air conditioner is blowing and it feels good. So really good air circulation. An extra eat-in nook. So you've got two spots where you can dine, formal and informal, and then we've got this pantry space here with a wall of cabinets, so lots and lots of cabinets. One of the great things about this model is it is a 2-bedroom with 2 full baths and an extra half bathroom right off of the laundry room. So if you're working out in the yard, you're enjoying the outdoors, you can come right in off of the garage and wash up, use the bathroom. You don't have to go all through the house. Good sized garage. We've got the side door to get outside. And as we go back through some of the updates with this house, the exterior was painted 2 years ago. The hot water heater was replaced 2 years ago. This is the hallway with the guest bedrooms. We have a full bathroom here, tub shower combo. Forgot to put the lights on. And this is the master bedroom, and this is one of my favorite spaces in this house. This bedroom is so cozy. It has such a good feel. It's over 15.5 by 15.5, almost 16 by 16. So it is very spacious. And then you have an ensuite bathroom with a shower. Also a walk-in closet. If there's one thing this house has, it's storage. All of the closets are extra deep or walk-ins. Really nice space. Even off of the front entry, look how deep that closet is. Tons of shelving. Even off the entry, we've got the coat closet. So I'm going to show you this one because this one's surprisingly deep. Again, another walk-in closet here for the guest bedroom. Now this guest bedroom is slightly smaller. It's 12 by 15. Still very good space. If you've got king-size beds, you're not going to have a problem in this house. You'll also notice, I'm sure, the wood trim throughout, so that's something that is a more classic feature that you don't see often in these homes in Florida. Beautiful fireplace, and that is an extra upgrade that most of our homes out here do not have. And look at that wood mantle, absolutely gorgeous. So this is your family room. This is the other sitting area where you can just relax and enjoy family time and company. And then we walk out back and we have a sunroom. So this space is great. You can have an extra dining setup or just chairs for reading or for whatever else you might enjoy doing. And then off of the sunroom is the back screen lanai. You can see it's very private in back. We've got bushes, and then behind that are very large parcels that are part of another community. So lots of privacy. The squirrels are running in the yard enjoying it. Plenty of space to spread out in this house. So if you're looking for a good sized home like this, this one has been lovingly maintained. It is move-in ready, and definitely give me a call for more info. Ruth Squires, I'm your Realtor on Demand. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. 352-476-3303. Have a great day.